For question number 3, we used the predict the question strategy. For question number 4, we used the predict the question strategy. And for question number 5, we're going to use the predict the question strategy. And we're going to get a completely different outcome than we did for the other 2. This set of 3 goes really well together. So in this case, of the 3 types, ideas, grammar, and style, we know it's not ideas because there's no question. Is there a grammar rule? Well, there doesn't really look to be any punctuation in the choices or nearby. There's no pronouns or verbs that are changing. Maybe a little bit of a tense issue, learning versus learn, but it's minor. And so that tells me this is a style question. And with style questions, we really have just one strategy, trust your instincts. Or actually, you know what? I'm going to say we have 2 strategies. Trust your instincts and keep it short. Because the preferred style on the SAT is concise, short sentences that kind of just get to the point quickly. So, with that in mind, we might be picking something like D. That is definitely the shortest choice. Hopefully, though, as you read these, D doesn't sound great. The best sounding choice and the right answer is A. A team led by Drexel University professor Kenneth Lacovara is making models of dinosaur bones 1/10 the bone's original sizes in order to learn how they fit together when the animals were alive. Hopefully that sounds good to you. If it doesn't, I don't really have a lot more I can give you here. This is what's called a diction question, meaning it's about the words that we choose and the order that we put them in, and these are words that aren't really definable, right? Like learning versus learn, for versus to, in versus so. These are very tough things to prove are correct. And so that's why we need to kind of trust our instincts at the end of the day. Your brain, if you are very comfortable with English, will know the correct word just from experience. If you don't have that instinct, because maybe you are just learning English, this is not a high priority question. Do the best you can. Listen to the sentence as much as you can, but if you don't have a strong instinct, pick your favorite, pick the shortest thing, and move on and get to the questions where you won't need to just rely on your instincts. You'll be able to prove it with a grammar rule or something like that. So this is a tough one. Don't beat yourself up if you get it wrong. A lot of people do, but it is something that is the best bet is to just listen to how it sounds. That's how style questions work. We have certain instincts about what things we should say in English, and ultimately we just kind of have to trust those instincts.